Now this comes with a charging port, and if we flip over to the side, we have a little kickstand back here. I'll show you that in a second. And on the other side you have your power, your volume up, and your volume down here. And all the way back here you have a 3.5mm jack for like headphones, a USB-C charging port, and a SD card slot here. You have a 8 megapixel camera here, and on the other side, and you have a 5 megapixel camera here. By the kickstand, I'm talking about this. You grab that, you pull, and there you have your kickstand. So if you want to watch something, shabam, there you go. And if we just power it on, that's your Microsft Surface logo, obviously. Now this does come with Intel Pentium Gold, so this is not the default background, but this is pretty much what the display looks like. And it comes with 8GB of RAM, and the screen is 1800 by 1200, and for the graphics processor you will have a Intel HD Graphics 615. And what I like about this is it does come with Bluetooth, and it has got pretty good speakers. So we're just going to find some royalty-free music so I don't get copyrighted. So this here, it's just some beats. This is running at, I believe, 28%. Yeah, 28%. Not bad, but I'm not going to put it up to max because one, my father's asleep, and two, it's going to be super loud. And with the battery, if you come down here, my battery is currently on 31%, but with the Surface Go, general use, because I'm a student and I get around 6 to 7 hours of battery life when I'm just doing simple tasks like word processing and Excel, browsing the web, answering emails, etc. And so if we come over here, this is the charger that comes with it, and at the end you got a little magnet, so it's like the MacBook where it just snaps in. So let's pretend you got plugged in, you got your end, you come down to here, and it just snaps into place, and you're good. Now, the charger does come into the box, right? It comes with a box. However, if you want a keyboard, you have to purchase this separately, right? This is about 120 US and about 150 Australian dollars. This is expensive, but it's sturdy, despite the look of it, and the keyboard is small. So, to simply attach it, you would just be like, and it snaps into place. Now either you can have it loose, so you got a very flat surface, or you can have a little, so it dips up just here. So that's the keyboard. It takes a while to get used to, but after a couple of days you get used to it. So the downfall about this laptop is multitasking, where you got things like multiple programs open, heavy duty tasks you should not do because it's not designed for that. And if you're at all thinking of doing stuff like Photoshop, video editing, After Effects, gaming, that is not advised on this laptop because it's not built for that. It's just pretty much built for students, just doing word processing, web browsing, simple stuff like that. If you want a very good laptop, or a Go, which is a tablet laptop, etc., it's very good. But if you're in the market for something that's built for gaming, heavy tasks like Photoshop, video editing, it's not a laptop for you. There are other laptops in the market. One thing that I did forget to mention is, if you want to use things such as USB or HDMIs on this, you will have to buy an adapter, which you can buy directly from Microsoft or other retailing stores. There should be a little section of what it looks like and how much it is. Other than that, it works great. And I've been using this laptop for about a month now, and it still runs fine, still does the job, and it's a cool laptop. If you guys got any other questions about the little Go, feel free to either ask me in the comments or find my socials such as Instagram and Twitter, and feel free to ask me a question there. Other than that, this is Brandon from BlazeTech. I'm out. See you guys in the next one.